In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your WhatsApp group invite link so you can easily share it with others and let them join your group. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and go inside the group whose invite link you want to share. Once you're in the group chat, tap on the group name or the three-dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the group info page. Now, scroll down a little until you find the option that says Invite via Link. Tap on that, and here you'll see several different options for sharing your group link. You can choose to send link via WhatsApp, copy link, share link via SMS or email, or even generate a QR code that others can scan to join instantly. If you just want to copy the invite link, tap on Copy Link and it'll be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere, for example, in a message, on social media, or even in your browser to test it. Let's quickly test it out. Open your browser, paste the copied link into the search bar, and tap Enter or the arrow icon. It'll take you directly to the WhatsApp invite page for that specific group. Here, you'll see a Join Chat button, and anyone who taps it will be able to join your WhatsApp group. And that's it. That's how you can easily find and share your WhatsApp group invite link.